a home where the courtyard breathes life into every corner. We need to experience the entire project from the beginning of the entrance of the gate itself. When we think about the landscape over the outside, the same thing is having continuously towards the inner space also. It's like having a storyline, just like for every inch of the space we had worked a lot to get that finish and everything. I'm architect Sharath from Sridhar Design Group, Thrissur. Join me for an exclusive home tour of Hridym in Palakkad. To watch the premium videos and access PDF ebooks with house plans, log on to buildofy.com. The link is in the description below. We need to have a complete play of silence and voice, even the sunlight. Everything should have an important space as we consider the inside as the house outside of the project. Site is located 30 kilometers from Palakkad and locally known as Karimana. Actual plot size is around 30 cents. Client also having a lots of friends and everything, so instead of getting inside the house, he need more space on the sit out also. They need a 3-bedroom residence project, and they only need one single story house, and also they in between 2000 square feet is their maximum area requirement. Once we enter to the main door, we are stepping into a courtyard with flooring which includes the random rubbles and every other natural elements. This is the inbuilt seating we had provided just after the entrance of the project. This seating itself is made up of wood and outside type cement like structures below, and also we had given a support with the wooden elements with the same continuity, the elements of cane, everything into this project. It's like having a large open hall space which includes the living space and dining space and opening towards the open kitchen. The boundary also, actually we had not provided any windows or sliders or anything, just like we raised up the boundary wall over here and we got a controlled private space over there, and all the living space or everything is open towards the courtyard space itself. As we know, we have 3 bedrooms. We had actually sewn the bedrooms around a courtyard, just like this is the heart of the house, and we had placed 3 bedrooms with the maximum view towards the courtyard space. And we also tried to get a concept like all the bedrooms should have a proper inner courtyard windows also. When we talk about the pillars at the courtyard, actually it's from the Karimana. It's actually a locally easily sourceable wood on Palakkad. Pillars feels to be like a proper balancing of the entire mass of the project, just like for the double height space. Instead of having a solid base for supporting a large structure, that's why we had provided with some spherical bolts under the huge 10 feet Karimana pillars. The laterite has been maintained both for the structural and as well as for the aesthetical view. We had maintained the laterite brick as the major element. For providing a balcony, we need to have a proper height, just like it's a single story house, but we need a balcony space. So we had provided a double height space To balance it, we had provided with a mezzanine floor. So instead of having a solid beam or anything, we can simply solve by metal structure with wooden paving on that. It's not simply a house, it's like having a poetic reference, just like having a breathable space. Every elements over the house, just like even from the step to the wash basin itself, we had traveled a lot to collect those things, and we had sourced many workers to carve it, everything for all the process. But it's not about the perfection also, it's about the raw feel and the little imperfections in everything, including the stones or everything. Maybe some cracks will be there, and we are retaining that cracks. After interacting with the client, one of the major study for us is also like that their daily routines are related to this design. Quality times they are spending on the house itself had been increased. So I feels like a good space or a good design space or a good architecture can make changes in the human character itself.